Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can get VBucks for cheap. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for xbox.com. Open the official website and start creating a new account. In order to do that, click on the sign in button at top right corner of your screen. Click on add another account and then select create account embed. After entering the basic information about yourself, click on the select region menu and select Argentina as your region. Once done, you will be asked to generate your gamer tag. Simply select or enter a gamer tag and your account will be created. After creating an account, you will be sent to the home page of the Xbox website. Now open a new tab on your current browser, search for Epic Games, and then navigate to your account settings. Inside settings, go to the linking tab and then connect your new Xbox account with your Epic Games account. Now open your Xbox account again, but before that, make sure to connect to an Argentina VPN. After you are connected, open the website and this time search for VBucks in the search bar above. After that, you will get the VBucks offers. You can select any one of them. After that, click on the bucket icon and the VBucks will get added to your cart. After that, advance to the final checkout page and they will prompt you to enter your card details. Make sure to get an Argentina debit or credit card and enter its credentials on the website. Once done, purchase the VBucks and you are good to go. That's how you can get VBucks for cheap. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.